Inner peace is the cornerstone of facing the challenges of life, but why is it always hard to touch? Troubles and pain are often ignored by chasing the satisfaction of the outside world. When you choose to return to your heart and focus on the power of calm, you will find that the real healing is not far away. This is a journey from the inside out, leading to regain hope and freedom. Calmness comes from the let go of the heart, not the possession of the outside world. Inner peace is not to avoid problems, but to face the inner struggle and learn to let go of unnecessary persistence. When you calm down and observe your emotions, you can see the bondages that come from fear, anger, or remorse. Everything is impermanent and pain is not eternal. Only by letting go of the past can we truly gain inner freedom. Observe your every emotional fluctuation and learn not to be pulled, but to feel and release it with an accepting mentality. The tranquility brought by this perception cannot be replaced by any external thing. Hope comes from the current awakening and firm belief. Let us out of the abyss of pain. When difficulties strike, choosing to believe in inner power is the key to overcoming everything. Adversity is an opportunity for growth. Only by maintaining hope can we turn difficulties into nutrients for growth. Breathing and perception every day are the processes linked to hope. When you focus on the present, your heart will no longer be pulled by the fear of the future or the regrets of the past. The present is the only truth. Be careful to settle down here and life will bloom brightly. Trouble often comes from remorse for the past or worry about the future, which makes the inner peace impossible to really come. Only when you learn to pull your attention back to this moment can you feel the inner stability and strength. Focusing on the present is not only the way to escape from pain, but also to embrace every moment of life. Through simple breathing exercises or sitting and watching, you can put your mind in the present. Whenever anxiety comes, try to take a deep breath and exhale slowly. In the process, all the worries seem to fade away, and the heart gradually regains calm. When you practice more and more to focus on the present, the power of worry will weaken. Loving yourself is the starting point of healing and the key to freedom. Everyone has painful corners in their hearts and emotional needs that have been ignored. The process of healing the heart is not only to let go of the past, but also to learn to embrace your own vulnerability and imperfection. Treat yourself with compassion and learn to look at the scars in your heart with love and accept Ion, so that you can truly be reborn from love. Give yourself a heartfelt blessing every day. I closed my eyes and whispered to myself, I deserve to be loved, and I accept my imperfections. These words are the bridge to connect with yourself. Through such exercises, you can slowly feel the warmth from the depths of your heart. True peace and happiness begin with learning to love yourself. Inner freedom comes from seeing the restrictions clearly and bravely surpassing. In many cases, the inner pain stems from self-limitation and criticism. I'm not good enough, and I can't succeed. These inner voices are like invisible shackles trapping the heart. These ideas are not true but come from wrong cognition and persistence. When you are willing to observe these ideas in depth, you can find their roots and release them. Try to challenge your inner limitations. Even a small change can bring great inner growth.